how to show or hide emojis in Symbols keyboard for Gboard on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In the Quick Settings page, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we scroll down. Now scroll down to the bottom, then tap on General Management. In here, we then go down and tap on Keyboard List and Default. After that, go down, then tap on Gboard. Next, we scroll down and then tap on Emojis, Stickers and GIFs. In here, tap on Emojis in Symbols keyboard. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. When this is turned on, it will show a row of recently used emojis in the Symbols keyboard. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.